This is about offering you something new for your business. High-end spas and salons in the know are using Enagic technology. By offering this antioxidant-rich water, it creates beauty from within that supports a solid foundation for external beauty. Spas, gyms, restaurants, veterinarians, dentists, and others have realized the benefits Enagic provides.
The 7 different waters provide super antioxidant water with every sip, tone and firm the skin whether sprayed on or patted on, sanitizes and disinfects the skin, service tools, and equipment, but is 100% safe and chemical-free. Kills 91% of fungal and bacterial infections that attack the skin and nails. Reduces the risk of cross-contamination in your practice when used properly. Treats skin conditions successfully, acne, psoriasis, eczema, and hyperpigmentation, to name a few. Helps with your weight loss program and anti-aging protocols. On the back bar of the spa, you can use it for the best organic facials ever.
I actually work with women primarily over the age of 40 in it's not only personal training but mind, body, and nutrition components. I started incorporating the water in with their programs. I was able to bring them up to another level just by adding one other component, which was the water. Those ladies that continued with it, those are the ladies that were seeing absolutely amazing results.
Simone King, spa owner, says, "What I want to impart here is how amazing Kangen has been for my spa. With the water, their skin clears up faster and they lose weight faster. It's natural and simple and truly making a difference. It's also an antioxidant powerhouse."
In Japan, this technology has been improving lives for over 40 years, but only in the last 12 years has it been available to consumers. You can cash in on this proven health technology. This company also focuses on the total health package for your clients, with offerings for health on the inside and outside.
This program contains a whole new way of looking at diet and nutrition. When followed, it leads to a healthy, lean, trim body and an enhanced level of wellness, energy, and mental clarity most people have not experienced previously. In my experience, Kangen Water supercharges a nutritional program better than anything. Water is the key, and this is the best water I know. Dr. Dave Carpenter. How do you make money from this? For one, say goodbye to plastic water bottles. Consider how much you spend on just supplying your clients with plastic bottled water. Second, each machine can save you 20+ years and thousands of dollars with clean, antioxidant-rich water. There are many ways to profit from this technology. Just sharing antioxidant water will bring clients back through your doors to get more.
A few prestigious clinics and salons have already set up true beauty hydration stations. They are sharing the water with their guests to drink before and after treatment as a part of their protocols, and providing a hub for guests to also take home samples of this vital water to share with their family and friends. Clients will come in more often as you share the water.
Every time they come through your door, there's an opportunity for them to use your other services. You can keep clients coming back again and again. Your clients will respect you even more because you have the best to offer. Clients love new health improvements, and you can advertise this technology as new offerings at your spa.
We can help you with that. By creating a new niche market, you increase client retention and so increase revenue. Enagic technology saves you money long-term
by replacing spa maintenance products. Other clinics report that after clients experience this water, clients want this unit conveniently in their own homes. The great news is, when this happens, it creates another revenue stream for you and your team. There's also a tax benefit for owning this device personally or professionally. There are many ways you can offset the initial investment.
By owning your own health technology, this sets you apart from the competition. You will be known as the glowing skin, energy-boosting antioxidant hub in your market and be known as a more environmentally responsible facility. Why should you buy a Kangen machine? Ours are dependable and well-made. This company's track record of more than 40 years speaks for itself. Machines last over 20 years and keep working well.
Large, solid, platinum-coated titanium plates versus competitors' mesh screens. Electricity versus inorganic materials added. Realistic 5-year warranty with a 40-year-old company versus unrealistic lifetime warranty from a 2-year-old company.
There is no competition. This is the only medical-grade technology of its kind that you simply connect to a faucet. It has third-party reviews, certifications, and international recognition. It's been used in Japan for over 40 years in hospitals and clinics, and it's fairly new to this market. Enagic is the only company smart enough to offer instant franchise on investment as a part of their patented business plan to create an endless passive income stream for you, now or later. All Enagic's products are shipped from the company directly, so there is no need to carry a large inventory to supply clients. Enagic does it for you. We can provide support, and lots of support. Enagic has a vast support network, customer care, and branding materials. Let's make it the new big thing in your practice. You can bring customers in to educate them on real beauty and how using these products can enhance their lives. You can launch spa parties to display the wonderful benefits of the Kangen Water, Spa, and Ukon. I call this the triple solution. It's the most popular package, and it's a great addition to any anti-aging regimen. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Let's get you started today.